Hey everybody, it's party time. Finest Day 2019 Topps Finest Baseball. This is a product that lots of people look forward to every year. I can remember opening Finest in the 90s and I just thought the refractors were glorious. My brother and I would go to the card shop and we didn't even make it out of the parking lot. We'd have to sit and open the box in the parking lot. Back then I was pretty broke, so buying a box of Finest was a huge expense and a huge deal. It's funny, you know, we all complain about the price of boxes, but it's not that much more now than it was. I think then a box of Finest was about $70, between 70 and 100, somewhere up there. And, you know, to me, again, that was really expensive, and it was just super exciting to open those packs. I don't remember if back then, if they've always had 2 autographs per box. I don't remember, but I do remember when they started doing the little mini boxes. Anyways, Finest brings with it lots of memories for people who've collected for any amount of time, and I'm excited to open this. So 2 master boxes, 1 autograph per. I'm going to open 1 box now and 1 box later. So let's do this. How many packs total? I don't remember that. Collect the Mariano Rivera. Oh, I've got something to show you guys. Dadgummit. Hang on. So I got a delivery today and I saw it was from Panini, and it was actually a sizable box. Sorry, my chair is loud. And I was thinking, what did they send? I sent them kind of honestly, I'm like one of those people that's way too nice for my own good. But the last time one of my boxes was missing a hit, I sent them kind of a snippy letter, and I was which I never do. I never do that. But I just had enough of getting these boxes that are short a hit. And so I thought maybe it was that replacement card, but nope, it was something much better than that, because Lord knows they're probably just going to send me something crappy, especially since I wasn't very nice. But this is what it was. This is the Chronicles basketball redemption that I pulled. It's the purple, numbered out of 75. So I thought that was pretty sweet. I just now noticed this sticker right here. It's funny. Anyways, I thought this was really cool, so I wanted to show it to you. I don't show every redemption that comes in, but I like to show you guys the better ones. Pretty sweet. I don't know if they wanted him to sign with this pen. It looks really thin and kind of maybe even like a ballpoint pen or something. I don't know, but either way, I think it's really cool. So, all right, wanted to share that. Now let's open this Finest. I think last year each one of the mini boxes had like 7 packs, so let's see if it says anywhere. 6 packs, 5 cards per. I thought last year was 7, but I could be wrong. There are the odds, so I can get that focused in and get it in some light. Base refractors 1 in 3, purple 1 in 18, blue 1 in 30, green 1 in 45, gold 1 in 88, orange 1 in 76, red 1 in 875, and a super refractor is 1 in 4,319 packs. Extended base card set 1 in 30. What is that? Maybe high number cards? Blue chips, I remember that from the 90s. That's been around for a minute. Careers. All the inserts are available in parallel, all of these color parallel formats. Autograph parallels start with blue, with 1 in 87 is a blue, going way up to super refractor version. A super refractor autograph is 1 in 6,868 packs. So alright, I'm not going to read all these, but that's cool. Gives you a little bit of idea if I pull any of the color refractors of how easy or tough that was to do. Alright, here we go. Little stack of packs. Let's do it. Do it to it. Let's do it to it. So there's the base card. There's a Kyle, starting off with a Kyle Tucker. I like these better than last year. I can go ahead and tell you that. Last year's was very, what I felt was an overly busy design. This is a little bit calmer. I like it better. There is a Rizzo, Tuki Toussaint, rookie refractor. It's the first refractor of the group. Let me show you the back. There's the back. It does say refractor up in the top. A blue refractor, Chris Shaw, numbered out of 150. And Mr. Vadu. D. Gordon, Hosmer. Blue chips, that is exactly the same design from the previous blue chips. Miles Mikolas, Miggy, and Andujar. Yeah, I can tell you right away I like this better than last year's. This design is much better in my opinion. Let me know, comment below, let me know what you think. Did you like last year's better? Last year had all that sticks and I don't know, it was craziness. Blackman, prize performers, Chris Bryant, Lindor, and Cody Bellinger. Buxton, Mr. Aaron Judge, have a refractor of Ozzie Albies, Acuna, and DJ Stewart rookie. Jose Ramirez, Zach Greinke, a blue chips Mancini, Mookie Betts, and Corbin Burns. And this last pack should be an autograph. Should have an autograph. We shall see. Justin Smoke. Oh, it looks like it's a colored auto or a pair. No, yeah. Oh, wow. Justice Sheffield green rookie auto numbered out of 99. It's like a green shimmer. Reminds me of the Bowman Chrome shimmer. And it's numbered right down here. Nice on card auto parallel. Not bad at all. Marcus Stroman and Chris Bryant. So far, so good. I'd love to pull a super short print refractor. I know those don't have the value they used to, but they sure do look good. It'd just be cool to pull one. Whit Merrifield, Rowdy Tellez rookie, Ryan O'Hearn rookie refractor, Buster Posey, and Mr. Clayton Kershaw. Cedric Mullins rookie, Trey Turner, a blue chips Ozzie Albies, Yelich, and Ohtani. Would also be cool to pull a blue chips refractor. I always like that insert set. Adamas, prize performers, Justin Upton. Oh, sweet. Jimenez, purple refractor, numbered out of 250. That's sweet right there. Wow. Danny Jansen rookie and Urias rookie. Arenado, Steven Duggar rookie refractor. I've gotten lots of rookie refractors here. Finest First, Corbin Burns rookie insert. Finest First Moment, it says. Chance Adams rookie and Laureano rookie. JD Martinez, Brandon Crawford, Blue Chips Lindor, Josh Hader, and David Peralta. Last pack. Again, this should be an autograph. Chris Davis, Astudillo rookie. Oh, Juan Soto refractor autograph. What a box. It's got something up here. I think that's what we'll wipe off though. Hang on. Castro and Nola. Let me try to see if that. Yep. Wiped right off. I thought that was just some card dust. Look at that. So nice. What a box. Can box 2 top it? I don't know. I don't know. Stay tuned. I will have that one for you guys tomorrow. Wow, that was fun. Everybody take care. I'll see ya. Bye. Love ya.